Hello everyone and welcome to the Turbis online community. In this short video, I will show you how to find the Turbit service provider pool within the community and how to browse the pool to find the right service provider to implement your project. This video is specifically directed at businesses who have applied or who are planning to apply for the Digital Acceleration Program of Turbis. First of all, access the Turbis online community with your profile. Then make sure that you have joined a space called Turbit Service Provider Pool. If you have not done so yet, you can find it clicking on Explore on the menu on the left. Then you can click on Join Us. Once you have joined the space, by clicking on it, you can access it. Within the space, you will find a lot of posts relating to the different service providers that we have already approved for our pool. We are approving service providers who have applied to our call and who fulfill the criteria that we have established. So we are posting them and approving them as their applications are coming in. As it might be difficult to find the right service provider just by scrolling through the different profiles that we have posted, what we have done is to categorize them and to organize them according to different criteria. For example, relating to their country of origin or to the different services they are offering. For example, if you click on this profile here, you will be able to find specific information relating to this provider, and you will see here that this provider offers services related to cybersecurity, to improving internal processes, and to digital strategy. If you click on the search function on the top and on See All, you will be able to visualize all the different keywords and hashtags that we have used to organize and to categorize the different service providers. By clicking on a specific hashtag, this will show you all the service providers who offer a specific service related to digital marketing in that case. You can also combine different criteria by typing them into the search function on the top. For example, digital marketing and Spain. This will now show me all service providers that offer digital marketing services and are coming from Spain. So all the criteria are already always linked with an and in between. For example, if I add an additional criteria being digital tool, for example, this will show me all service providers from Spain who offer services related to digital marketing and digital tools coming from Spain. The more criteria you add, obviously, the smaller the selection of service providers that are shown as a result of your search function. If I added, for example, another criteria being Belgium, it will not show me any results anymore because obviously there are no service providers in the pool that come from Spain and from Belgium at the same time. I hope this video was useful for you. If you have any questions, as always, please reach out to us.